Alright guys, so we're going to be changing the front brakes on a second gen today. Right there. We're going to go through the process and all that stuff. And of course it's snowing outside, so. Alright, let's go. As Borat would say. Borat.
Oh!
Very nice.
Very nice.
Yeah, this is honestly like a little side hustle you can do.
Or if you don't know how to do it.
Yeah, or if you don't know how to do it. But this will get you out of like tight situations. I really don't do more like side jobs. But a buddy of mine was crying that he needed his brakes done. So today we're gonna do brake pads and rotors, depending on these are, on a second gen Cummins.
Guys, no, this is not our new project. I wish.
I know. Or loosen it, you know?
Loosen it.
Moose?
Loose moose. Well, guys, it looks like just loosening the tire is too hard for us. That thing just... Is that snap-on?
Yeah.
Snap-on?
Snap on.
Snap-on down?
This is a Harbor Freight one. It's a Pittsburgh. Let's see how this one does. Oh, Jesus Christ.
Alright, we got it loosened up.
Yeah, we got it. We ended up... Usually you can always find these inside your truck. But yeah, always make sure to have one of these at least. And now we just take it off. I know I always fuck around with safety, dude, but always put jack stands or tires. So you got some jacks under it, and then you got your jack stands, my bad. So I'm like trying to look for it and then like touch it, dude. You can see some grooves in the lip. So he told me that he couldn't that he fucked up a bolt, but these are hex. So my smart ass actually bought those. Let me bring those out. I even brought those on accident. These are called Torques. And this is what he was missing to do the job properly. So literally you just take off the... There's a bolt over here. I know this is why he couldn't take it off. Yeah, always when you do something, don't like try to do half-ass like we do. I want to rig it, but not that bad.
The irony.
The irony of it. Mira. There's two bolts. So you see right there?
Yeah. So there's two.
There's one up here and one down here. It's just the same thing, dude. So all you do is just this. Check this out. Beautiful, right? Right there. Sometimes it needs a little bit of prying, dude. So you just like...
Oh, it slips right off.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You always stick it up top, dude. Just there. So your brake pads are gonna be right there. That one just slides in and out. Watch. Watch from top. And yeah, he needed some brake pads. Look at that. So there's one. Then you have one in the back. This one's really bad. I can tell. Oh yeah. Sometimes you need little push. Yeah, you said my brakes are making a noise. Yeah, dude. It's all fucked up in the back.
That's fucked up.
That's fucked up. You know what's fucked up? That's fucked up. Ooh. Ooh. Dude, Harbor Freight for the win. Okay. So the way this works, you got two bolts right here. If you can get inside and look at them, right there's one and there's one right there. So these are gonna hold this. See how those screw in? Those screw in. That holds this. in there. So after that, it has 2 more right here.
Those are the ones we took out.
Those are gonna hold this in.
Yeah.
And that's what makes everything.
Nice and snowy parts.
I know, dude. That's literally kind of it. You just do the whole process backwards now. Never prepared.
Ideally, you'd want a hammer, but snap that right off.
Tell me not, boy.
Difference.
Tell me what's the difference right there.
God damn, they're worn down.
Yeah, I'm gonna send him a snap though.
Old brake pads, new ones. So this man had a death wish.
Yeah, he did. Just so you don't get like, I think that's called crystallized. I don't know. Well, he always cleans it off. And then, look at that beautiful thing right there. And then everything goes back same way we took it off. Put back all the bolts.
The big bolts.
Yeah. Back on the, see that? I don't know if I'm not cold anymore or I'm just seriously just lost all sense. You know, people that are actually working, dude, won't get cold. This, it could be like that anyways. It's gonna tighten up. But when you're like tying this up, make sure you like get some lever on that. Always start your bolts. I hand tighten them before I tighten the whole thing. That way you know you're not threading them. This is kind of a good video to bring to you guys, just so you guys know how to actually just like do your brakes. This is an older truck. You have 2 brake pads. This one is all, you look around it, it's all clean and nice, right? It doesn't have nothing. But then you have this one. This one has, well, that will indicate you that you need brakes. When it starts, because this, as soon as it gets down to the metal on metal, it's going to start squealing. So
that's the indicator.
Yeah, that's an indicator that
he went through the indicator.
he went through that shit. Yeah, you see that? You see that? That's how it goes.
It's like a glove.
Yeah, so this goes like that.
Yeah. We're back. We're missing a C clamp, so.
We're always missing something. We're just gonna need a big clamp, that's it. It's gonna run me like, I'm thinking maybe at the maximum like 20 bucks. $8 bucks. Yeah, I told you it's like 20 bucks, but this is $8 bucks. So once we get there, I'm gonna show you how it's done.
Okay.
We're gonna use this. This is a great tool for the brake job. So this one, you gotta suck these in. So same concept. We'll do one. See that?
Yeah.
See how it's going in? Yeah, sometimes, like I said, sometimes it's a little harder than what it seems, but looks like it. There you go. So you see how I'm like tightening up everything by hand first? This just ensures me that I'm not threading it. And then now it's kind of not really a big deal. These ones you don't want to like tighten them too much.
Small bolts.
Yeah, dude, these will break. And if these break, ugh. Yeah, tighten the small ones really, the big ones really hard, sure. But these, not really.
There she is.
There she blows. When I put the tire in,
Yeah.
the tire's gonna push this all the way together.
Oh, okay.
Step on the brake, and the brake should bleed itself back in. Yeah, because if you like step on the brake right now, it'll suck it in. I just want to suck it in well when it's when everything's back together. Now once you've done that one side, you're seriously probably, you just take whatever you used on this side over there. You don't want to have that many tools over on that side because you already know what you use. Everything backwards on this.
Put the tire on.
Yeah, we pretty much went through everything.
Okay.
That's probably seemed like it's probably gonna be like a 15-minute video, kinda. But this probably took us like an hour on this side.
Yeah.
But like I said, I mean, we didn't have all the tools and all that. If we were at the shop, believe me, we'd be done by like
now.
less than an hour. And then you give it to your customer. One, they can throw it away. Two, they know you did the job. Like my dog would not have done that, so I'm sorry, bro. I just let him go. I thought he was like my dog.
Oh, he wants to see the camera.
Another if you don't like.
Hey.
Yes, bored.
Dude, the thing is, this is the most important part, guys, is putting the tire back, and we're talking about the
dog. You dumb.
It's okay,
you know what, guys? Part of our project is actually gonna hire a new cameraman. Please. Just because it. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Well, brakes work.
Oh yeah, the brakes work.
Stopped on a dime.
Yeah. That works great. You always test your brakes. You always test your work.
I think you're testing it a little bit too much.
I know. Look at the Jake Parks thing. Whoever sees this video, Snoopy. Dude, it sounds so nice. Wait, we didn't even turn on the AC, dude. We were just so excited about it. Oh!
Dude, we gotta go find
No,
a 12. Dude, we gotta find a 12 valve now.